I would like them to say in brief that skills for employability is for us very, very important in our job creation, enterprise we are looking for. And also the training of entrepreneurs, which our earlier speaker talked about. You cannot be an entrepreneur overnight. So a few days ago, I went to a shop to buy an item of a building material, and I saw somebody with like a banker. So I asked the man who was selling the thing to me, who is this man? Oh, he said he was a retired banker who wants to go into the business of selling building material. He has come to learn how to sell building material. That's the way we have to go. So once again, I would like to thank the Nigerian Governors Forum for inviting some of us to take part in this very important aspect of the work of the Nigerian Governors Forum and to chart the way forward for the future of Nigeria, which we know is going to be bright if all of us have our hands